Most dangerous animals of Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, which is shared by 9 nations, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, is the biggest rainforest on Earth. One of the primary draws for tourists to the area is the Amazonian wildlife, but despite how amazing it is to see these creatures up close, there are significant risks associated with them. Traveling to the Amazon rainforest should undoubtedly be on your bucket list because it is such an amazing place. Although it's a serene location with some of the most breathtaking views on Earth, it can also be hazardous. Take precautions and familiarize yourself with the animals that lurks in the rainforest before you arrange your trip. Many people all over the world who are passionate about nature and wildlife have the goal of visiting the Amazon jungle. The largest tropical rainforest in the world is home to some of the deadliest known species, as well as maybe much deadlier ones that have not yet been found, thus visiting it is not without risk. The formidable jaguar, the formidable green anaconda, the extremely poisonous poison dart frogs, the startling electric eels, the flesh-eating piranhas, and many other creatures can be found in the Amazon. It is therefore recommended that travelers to the Amazon exercise caution and maintain constant awareness of their surroundings when exploring the rainforests. Here, we list some of the Amazon's deadliest animals along with our justifications. Green anaconda. The Brazilian Amazon and several other regions of South America are home to the non-venomous green anaconda. It is among the Amazon's most revered and feared creatures. The green anacondas inhabit the Amazon's marshes, slow-moving streams, and swamps where they wait to attack their unwary prey by staying almost entirely immersed in the water. The snakes are slow on land, but in the water they are slick and cunning. The snakes suffocate their prey until death once they have ensnared them in their deadly coil, marking the prey's final moments. The green anacondas have been dubbed man-eaters, despite the lack of evidence, as there have been multiple unconfirmed accounts of these enormous snakes consuming people. Given that anacondas eat prey that is stronger and more resilient than humans, scientists come to the conclusion that it is not impossible for one of these snakes to devour a human. The likelihood of anacondas consuming humans is low because they do not often interact with humans and are not accustomed to seeing humans as prey. The world's largest snake, the green anaconda, may reach lengths of up to 30 feet and a weight of over 500 pounds. Anacondas crush and strangle their victim with their strong bodies before swallowing the whole meal. The Amazon River is home to green anacondas that lurk there and attack their prey quickly. They don't need to feed frequently because they can consume enormous meals, such as those eaten by people, wild pigs, and jaguars. Brazilian wandering spider. The banana spider is another name for the Brazilian wandering spider. It is among the most vicious and poisonous spiders that anyone have ever encountered. The Amazon rainforest may be home to all 8 of the species. Their venom is quite deadly. If bitten, a person may experience excruciating pain. If untreated, breathing difficulties and paralysis are frequent outcomes. The world's most deadly arachnid is the Brazilian wandering spider. Greek word murderous is also included in the scientific name of the spider, Phenutria. The reason the spiders are known as wandering spiders is that, rather than making webs and spending the night in them, they would rather travel around the jungle floor searching for food. The banana plant is one of the locations the spiders hide throughout the day. Additionally, the spiders may stray into populated areas and hide in homes and vehicles. They might bite people if they disturb them. These spiders are especially harder to find because of their small size. Up until the discovery of an antidote in 1996, the wandering spider was thought to be the cause of death for 14 individuals. The spider's venom results in excruciating pain and inflammation, as well as a loss of muscle control that may cause respiratory paralysis or even death. Rarely, reports of wandering spiders traveling to neighboring nations have been linked to South American banana imports. Jaguar. The jaguar, a captivating creature of the Amazonian wilderness, is the 3rd largest big cat species, behind tigers and lions. The jaguar is a naturally occurring animal that is well suited for killing. The jaguar consumes a broad variety of species, at least 87, in its diet. Even though they do not consume people, adult humans are easily killed by jaguars. In South and Central America, the jaguar can actually eat almost any terrestrial or riparian animal, though it seems to prefer large prey. Jaguars may hunt adults such as caimans, capybaras, tapirs, zorros, peccaries, deer, etc. The jaguar is a proficient predator that kills its prey by suffocating them and biting their throats deeply. Another method that is exclusive to jaguars is puncturing the brain by biting straight through the temporal bones of the skull. When it comes to caimans, the jaguar attacks from behind, severing the victim's cervical vertebrae to render it immobile. A single paw swipe is adequate to kill smaller prey, such as dogs. It makes sense how defenseless and exposed a human would be in the face of such a formidable predator. Human-jaguar encounters are becoming more common as a result of the fast depletion of the Amazon's forests. The largest carnivorous mammal in South and Central America is the jaguar. They are excellent climbers and swimmers due to their short, stocky limb shape. They typically strike their victim in the blind zone, striking their prey without warning. Black Cayman alligator. With a maximum length of 13.1 feet, the black cayman is the largest alligator in the family and one of the biggest predators in the Amazon River basin. Almost driven to extinction for its highly sought-after hide, this stunning yet deadly predator has seen a resurgence in population thanks to conservation initiatives. One of the largest living members of the Alligatoridae family is the black cayman. The Amazon basin's lakes, meandering rivers, and occasionally flooded savannas are home to this enormous predator. It is thought to be the largest predator in the Amazon ecosystem, consuming a wide range of fish, mammals, birds, and reptiles. Any animal that unintentionally enters its domain can be taken in by the formidable beast, and humans are no exception. Less than 1/5 of the 43 attacks by black caimans between January 2008 and October 2013 resulted in fatalities. Electric eel. Beneath the waters of Brazil's Amazon River is a startling peril. The electric eel is actually a knife fish that can shock anyone who threatens it with a powerful electric jolt, not a real eel. The fish's 3 pairs of abdominal organs enable it to produce enough electricity to stun an adult person. The eels paralyze their victims before devouring them by using their ability to generate electricity. Human fatal assaults are uncommon, yet they do happen occasionally. Even in shallow water, a single zap could stun a person to the point that they would cease breathing and drown. In humans, many shocks might undoubtedly result in respiratory failure. There have been instances in the past where the fish have stunned an adult cayman and even killed horses with shocks. Depending on where on a human the fish comes into touch, the electric eel, a fish related to catfish and carp, may generate up to 800 volts of electricity, enough to kill a person. To stun prey or predators, the fish typically delivers several, smaller shocks rather than using all of its strength at once. These amazing fish have a remarkable 22-year lifespan and can shock for about 8 hours even after they pass away. Piranha. One of the most hazardous aquatic animals in the Amazon River basin is the piranha. Freshwater fish known for their strong jaws and razor-sharp teeth are called piranhas. The black piranha's bite is among the strongest of all vertebrates, and they have one of the strongest bites among bony fish. The piranha's bite is capable of effortlessly tearing through any kind of flesh, including human flesh. So, do piranhas consume humans? Human meat has been known to be consumed by piranhas on several instances. 2015 saw the discovery of a girl's body in Brazil's Maicura River, partially consumed by piranhas. During a storm, the girl, her grandma, and 4 other kids were on a boat when it overturned. It's still unclear if she was killed by the piranhas or if they continued to feed on her after she drowned. There have been reports of similar cases elsewhere. Despite the fish's reputation for being extremely harmful, people have managed to bring it to their meals and have even used its teeth and bones to make tools and weapons. In the Amazon River alone, there are around 20 different species of piranha. Although piranhas have teeth as keen as sharks, they are not hostile and consume both plants and animals. Fish, snails, plants, seeds, and fruit are among their food sources. These fish will feed as a group on any mammal or bird that falls into piranha-infested waters, but it is not how they live their daily lives. In the Amazon River, swimming close to piranha is safe, but you do it at your own risk. Actually, some river cruises serve piranha as a dish. Poison dart frog. Though they are among the most vibrant animals in the Amazon jungle, poison dart frogs should be avoided. In actuality, their vivid coloring serves as a warning, touch me, and you're dead. It is true that poison dart frogs release a potent toxin through their skin that, in large enough doses, can induce congestive heart failure in a matter of minutes. The golden poison dart frog is especially lethal. It can kill 10,000 mice or up to 20 humans with its poison. Where is the poison that the frogs get? According to scientific theory, they take up the poison from insects, which then obtain it from plants. Because of their altered diet, poison dart frogs kept in captivity are not toxic. Make no mistake, these frogs don't wear the most gorgeous colors. They rank among the world's most dangerous predators. Toxins that are fatal to their predators are released from their skin by them. The golden poison dart frog has enough venom, according to National Geographic, to kill 10 adult males. Bullet ant. One of the Amazon rainforest's most dangerous species is the bullet ant, so named because of its powerful sting. These microscopic insects have the ability to bite, causing unbearable pain in the bitten location. With a 4+ rating higher than the tarantula hawk wasp, the bullet ant sting is considered the most severe according to the Schmidt Sting Pain Index. According to some sufferers, the pain is comparable to being shot by a bullet. After being bitten, the victim experiences excruciating pain that can last up to 24 hours. These enormous, inch-long ants have the ability to sting and cause excruciating agony, scoring 4.0 on the Schmidt Sting Pain Index, which gauges how painful insect stings are for people. A bullet ant bite frequently causes victims to relate the pain to that of being shot with a bullet. Although the discomfort is rarely life-threatening, it can last up to 24 hours and temporarily paralyze the affected area. Bull shark. According to National Geographic, 3 shark species are most likely to attack humans: tiger sharks, great white sharks, and bull sharks. Many experts rank the bull shark as the most dangerous shark in the world. They have a maximum height of 7 to 11 feet and a maximum weight of 200 to 700 pounds. Both fresh and saltwater are suitable habitats for bull sharks. The bull shark prefers to live in shallow waters and is a territorial and aggressive animal. Bull sharks can reside along the river, though it is rare to see them there. Bull sharks are widespread in freshwater and saltwater environments, and they might be the most deadly species overall. They prefer to reside in densely populated places and are the most common species to attack humans. Bull sharks, however, also consume bony fish and other sharks in addition to humans.